It can be difficult to find the right replacement pump for a heating system, but with the GO Replace functionality for circulators in the Grundfos GO app, it is easy to find the right choice. Among more than 14,000 of the most well-known pumps, you can search by brand, product name or product number and get a recommended replacement pump for the job. Replacing with an ALPHA2 GO, the app will tell you if it is possible to replace just the pump head. This is doable due to the impeller and hydraulic design, allowing you to leave the pump housing, saving you time doing the job. Or you can replace the full pump. Wiring the ALPHA GO pumps is easy with the toolless terminal power connector, ensuring an easy and safe installation. The ALPHA2 GO is now ready to be set up, and through the Grundfos GO app, you can follow the guided setup to ensure the optimal mode and setting of the pump. First, connect and pair the pump. You can now follow the guided steps in the app, selecting the right information about the installation, like size of house, required energy demand and delta T, which in combination with the detected heat loss, enables the Grundfos GO app to calculate the right set point. Once the setup is done, you can let the pump run a venting sequence where it tries to push as much air as possible to the closest air vent. The venting will automatically stop itself and put the pump back into the setting determined during the guided setup. When the venting process is started, you can create a report of the installation where everything is captured, and the report can be sent to the homeowner as documentation for the work done.